Congratulations! You've downloaded the weight loss cheat sheet for people under age 65 wanting to avoid a knee replacement. And that puts you in a class by yourself, because most people suffering from chronic knee pain never even take this step. And over the next few minutes, you're going to get really clear about what it takes to completely solve your weight loss troubles once and for all. You are one of few people under age 65 with knee pain willing to take the time to invest in learning what you need to in order to head off knee replacement surgery and regain mobility. So where most people remain frustrated, go through different diets, programs, gurus, and never quite get there, you're going to be able to move right past that and get the actual results you want a lot faster than you might think possible right now. And the reason I know that is because I've spent the past 2 years researching and training to work with knee arthritis sufferers like you to help them achieve weight loss and avoid a knee replacement. You see, as a physical therapist for over 20 years, I've seen your future firsthand. In fact, I authored a best-selling book on how to recover quickly from the surgery and also patented a simple, easy-to-use leverage tool that helps people regain knee range of motion. But I've become increasingly alarmed at the substantial numbers of people like yourself under age 65 willing to get the surgery, especially when the latest research demonstrates that low-grade inflammation is at play fueling the damage. Your original knee is worth saving. 180 days is a small investment of time to give your knee a second chance. If we haven't officially met, my name is Michelle, and let me tell you what we're going to cover here. I'm going to show you how to lose the weight and keep it off so you can avoid getting your knee replaced. You are going to learn about the critical element fueling pain and how to reduce it, the best and worst foods for knee arthritis, what an accelerator margin is and why you need one, and why you might be doing your weight loss diet all wrong. So let's walk you through all the important steps and nuances that you need to know right now. And I'm also going to show you exactly where this falls in the big picture, because there's a greater journey to get from point A to point B, and I'm going to tell you about that as well. But first, let me walk you through the cheat sheet. As I said earlier, recent research demonstrates that low-grade inflammation plays a key role in the development of osteoarthritis. It is more commonly understood that rheumatoid arthritis is the inflammatory or immune-mediated arthritis, and that OA is related only to wear and tear. This strict division is no longer accurate. There is a wear and tear of the joint, but churn and burn in the whole body is believed to be very influential as well. This low-grade inflammation is the same type implicated in cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. Unfortunately, new research tends to filter slowly into the medical marketplace. So let's review your cheat sheet, which is a weight loss guide using this powerful new research information. So I want to ask you, were the diets that you tried and failed anti-inflammatory? Or some version of shakes, prepackaged meals, or mono diets, maybe even fasting? Well, an inflammation-lowering diet is a different animal. You need to be doing two things: lowering inflammatory foods as well as increasing anti-inflammatory foods. Now that may sound obvious, but how well you do that will determine your gradient for change or your accelerator margin. The more you can increase the right kinds of foods and drive down the wrong kinds of foods, the greater your accelerator margin will be and the faster your recovery will be. The second critical component is to get an oil change. Omega-6 oils are inflammatory and omega-3 oils are anti-inflammatory. The proper ratio is 1:1, but the standard American diet can be more than 50 times higher of the bad stuff than the good stuff. And this affects every cell in your body because your cell membranes are made of fat. Using a lower quality building block lowers the ability of the cell to function at peak efficiency. Thirdly, it's important to address lifestyle issues like chronic stress, which can create metabolic chaos and the conditions ripe for low-grade inflammation. Fourth, it's important to stop chasing the one miracle supplement and get on a high-quality vitamin and mineral. Don't be cheap or skip this step. Most people are deficient in some or many areas. Fifth, take out the garbage. Our bodies store toxins in fat, which are liberated with weight loss. This can cause your joints to actually ache more. And that's the last thing you want. So it's important to make sure you are going regularly, drinking plenty of quality water, and sweating so that these toxins can be eliminated safely as you start to lose weight. And finally, exercise. It's important to do steps 1 through 5 before trying to restart exercise. Support your whole body first and then slowly start moving again, either walking or in water. Whatever movement you choose, do it regularly and make a time or a distance goal that can be easily achieved. Now, as you can see, fixing your diet is just part of a greater journey. And we have a proven model and a very specific framework to get you from here to there. Precision Nutrition is a recognized leader in weight loss with a 15-year history of successfully helping more than 100,000 clients to over 1 million pounds of weight loss. I used to treat a stroke patient who said quite frequently, "It's so easy to say, it's so much harder to do." That is, of course, true for many things worth doing. But diet and lifestyle change is challenging, especially for those still in the workforce and busy with life and grandkids, not to mention the extra challenge of having knee pain. This is the reason I selected the highly acclaimed Precision Nutrition program to get results for my clients. It's 180 days of transformation to modify the diet and lifestyle behaviors that are holding you back. You'll also be receiving support and encouragement by traveling with a group of like-minded trailblazers. Precision Nutrition helps move you from knowing what to do to actually showing you how to do it and making those changes stick. So what I'd like to do is invite you to consider being a part of this cutting-edge program. I'm so passionate about this that I'm steering my whole career away from helping those with surgically altered knees to helping people save their original knees by restoring a healthy, balanced body. If you're interested in being part of the first Precision Nutrition Knee Rescue program, please click the button to fill out an application. I'll be directly involved coaching this group, so available spaces are limited. In fact, you will have direct access to my cell phone. That's how serious I'm taking this program. So go ahead, click the button to apply today, and I hope to see you soon.